So here from 146 to 150, all these 5 questions are wrong. The given answer by the CLAT consortium, 146 answer is C, wrong. 147 wrong, 148 wrong, 149 wrong, 150 wrong. All 5 questions are wrong. So I'm trying to explain you. Look here. Here question number 146. In question number 146, in the figure given below, a goat is tied to a pole at a point O, which is center of the semicircular plot. The area of the plot is equal to its perimeter. BO is the length of the rope through which the goat is tied to the pole. Answer to the closest decimal. Okay, look here. The length of the rope. So if it is R, so it is a radius. This is going to be R. It is going to be R. Correct. Now it is given the area of the plot is equal to its perimeter. It is about magnitude. So area of the plot is going to be half of pi r square, and it is equal to its perimeter. So perimeter is what? Perimeter is A to O to C and then this way. This you will take as a perimeter of this plot. Correct? I think you are getting me. So if it is a perimeter, then you know it is 2 pi r. It is half, so 2 pi r by 2. What is it? It is from this to this. Plus A to O and O to R means 2R. Correct? So the area of the plot is equal to its perimeter. Area of the plot, it is a half semicircle, so area is half of pi r square. Now see, r square here, r common लेंगे तो हो जाएगा ये आपका, it is pi by 2 r cancel only pi and plus 2. Correct? I think you are getting, after taking common, this and this cancel. So now r is pi plus 2 and here pi by 2, pi by 2, pi cancel. So this should be 2 plus 4 upon pi. Answer is given C. It is 2 plus 2 by pi. So it is a wrong answer. It should be 2 plus 4 upon pi. Correct. Now see question number 147. In 147, the area of the plot is, the area of the plot means half of pi r square. R you calculated, it is actually 2 plus 4 upon pi. So R 2 plus 4 by 22 pi value, I'm putting here value of pi, 22 by 7, so it is 7. R is 2 plus 2 to the 4, 11 means 14 upon 11. This is going to be, after solving it, you will get R is equal to 3.27. Put here 1 upon 2 pi 22 by 7. It is 3.27 whole square. So now this is, after solving, it will be 16.798. Correct? And here answer is given B. Correct. What is B? B is 21.83. So again, it is wrong. Again, it is a wrong answer. How is this possible? It should be 16.798. So 146 wrong, 147 wrong. Now take 148. In question number 148, if triangle is created by joining point ABC, what will be the length of ABC? So look here. Here, ABC means this is to be found out, correct? Now see, it is R, it is R. So AB is what? AB is R square plus R square, correct? So AB is going to be 2R square means R root 2. And R you already calculated 3.27 in the previous question. Value of root 2 is a 1.414. So again, if you multiply, then it is coming 4.62378. So question number 148, option is given A. It should be 4.62378. So again, it is wrong. This is wrong. So 147 wrong, 147 wrong, 146 wrong, 47 wrong, 148 also wrong. Now see question number 148. Hmm, 146, 140, 149. What will be the area of the triangle ABC? So area of the triangle ABC, you can take this A, B, C. Okay. Look here, it is R, it is R, it is R. And you know, area of triangle A, B, C is 1 by 2. Formula, you know, base into height. 1 by 2, base is 2R. It is base. Okay. So R plus R, base is 2R. Height is here. This is height of a triangle is R. So this does cancel, means area of triangle must be R square. And in previous question we calculated R was 3.27 whole square. 3.27 whole square is 10.69. Correct. So look here, it is question number 149. In 149, in question number 149, answer is given A, 6.96. So it should be 10.69. It is wrong. It should be 10.69. Correct. So it is also wrong. Now question 150. What will be the perimeter of triangle ABC? What will be the perimeter of triangle ABC? Look here. Perimeter of ABC means look here, A, B. So perimeter is AB plus BC plus AC. AB, we calculated, it was R root 2. If it is R, it is R. So obviously it is R root 2. Pythagoras theorem, all of you know. And it is also R root 2. Correct? R. So now, perimeter of triangle ABC, AB plus BC plus AB is R root 2. BC is R root 2. And AC is R plus R, means 2R. So finally, this is 2 root 2, 2R. If you take common R, then 2 root 2 plus 2. Is it right? R root 2, R root 2. 2 root 2, 2R कॉमन ले लिया. R की वैल्यू आपको पता ही था, क्या थी? 3.27. and here 2 into 1.414 plus 2. It is, after calculating, you will get, it is this value you will get 15.78756. I'm using calculator. So 3.27 into, by putting value of root 2, 1.414 plus 2. So it is 15.787. Correct. Look here. This time question number 50. Answer is D is given, so 10.1. So this is also wrong. Correct. So I don't know what happened here, but at least this was a very easy set. 146, 147, 148, 149, 150, all are wrong. All are wrong. I hope consortium will take it seriously and take decision accordingly. Thank you.